Samsung is going all in with Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 launch are months away, but we are starting getting confirmed news regarding the Z Fold 4, and there is a possibility that we may get an extra foldable phone this year, but it is not confirmed yet. Although Samsung is improving a couple of things with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and could increase the foldable sales this year. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to launch somewhere in August just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but with improved internals and not so expected internal that Samsung will include in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. After releasing Galaxy S22 Ultra, everyone is complaining about the Galaxy S22 Ultra performance and saying it is not up to the mark, so this time Samsung will change this in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you think we will see the third foldable phone this year? According to the Ice Universe, it is 100% confirmed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. Yes, no Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Because of its poor performance, people were not happy with the performance of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and lacking in benchmark is also a factor to consider. But Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 will not be a small update like its previous generation, the Snapdragon 888 Plus. It is something big and Samsung is working on it to bring the best experience in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4. And he also mentioned that Z Flip 4 will also include this, which is quite affordable compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Since Z Fold 4 is not in everyone's reach for now, but there are rumors we may see a little price drop in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let's hope it will happen, although Z Flip is also a great value to money device. Now here comes the question, does Samsung is going to launch 3 foldable phones this year? Well, there are 3 code names that we see this time: B4, G4, and N4. For B4, last year Z Flip 3 was named as Bloom, so B4 will be Galaxy Z Flip 4. G4 will be Galaxy Z Fold 4, but what is N4? It is some sort of Galaxy Buds or another foldable device. So far, it is not confirmed. But if we make some kind of theory, Samsung is already trying different types of foldable prototypes like the Rollable or Flex One. But there is another theory where we can see the Galaxy Z Fold 4 other model that will include the S Pen, although it is also not confirmed. Other big changes that we are going to see in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its display. Samsung is trying new UTG Ultra Thin Glass tag in Galaxy Z Fold 4, which eventually comes with the Super UTG tag and the UDC under display camera as we saw in the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but this time Samsung is going to improve it, and some rumors also pointing that camera can be used in the upcoming Galaxy S23 lineup next year. But let's hope the quality of that front camera is better since UDC is far behind the normal selfie camera. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you think we will see the third foldable phone this year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.